Hmm. Um, Guys, if you can hear me, please write in chat. Um, can everyone hear me? Okay. So, okay, just give me a minute.
Then also, bro, give me moderator in that
He
chat.
started too. Hmm. Okay, guys, just give me a second. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Is it clear?
Part start.
You guys can hear me, right? Okay. So, welcome back to another stream, guys, on my channel. Hope you have a good time here. Today, me, Pro Trooper, and BR Stroke are going to be teaching you how to make a very simple bot. You can see my screen. Yeah, so we are going to make a bot just like these. So, let's just start. So you will find the link for the
Yeah,
developer
bro, we'll
portal.
be teaching a bot that can, teach us to manage servers basically.
Yeah, we are going to teach you for
Okay.
managing servers. So you will find the links.
Put up, he's actually streaming over there in the server. We just have to listen. We just have to speak so that people can listen in the channel.
And if you have any doubts,
Where is
guys,
he
you can
streaming?
always ask.
He's streaming in YT.
And if you have any
Yeah,
doubts, guys, you can always ask.
dude, where is he? I can like hear him, but I can't.
Okay, guys. So let's start now. If everyone's okay, type in chat if you want to start now. Okay, guys, let's come back to topic. Please let me know if we can start now. Everyone excited? Okay.
Right, can you just unmute?
Okay.
Yeah, cool. So let's start with the developer portal now.
Okay. So I think we've waited long enough. Everyone's ready. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So the first thing over here we can see we got to give a name. So the event is called BotFall. So we'll give the name BotFall and enter. Uh, Now you'll get directed to this page. Choose any icon. I've already chosen one over here. Just gonna upload that for now. Then give your bot description here. How you would like your bot to function. So let's just say this is a Discord server managing bot.
We'll just keep it managing servers probably.
Yeah, or we can just say this. Then you can just add some tags. Let's just say managing mod.
Just mentioning the link is in the description for the developer portal.
So once we are here, guys, just save your changes and it'll be like this. Now just go to bot and over here you'll just see build a bot. If anyone um, uh, okay, I'll go a bit slowly. Any doubts still here, you can type it in the chat. Uh, okay, so you want me to go slow? Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, so till now I've given a name. You can see
Okay,
the
so
name.
just I think show the previous one again. Okay, so
Um, okay. Uh, so in the starting, this is what you'll get. You can just name your bot, add an icon, and write your description. Is it clear till here? Okay, I think everyone's good till here. So the next thing we'll be doing is just you can see this bot over here. Just click on bot. Okay, simple till here. Okay, I'll go on now. How to add tags? Okay, so I'll just show it to you again. So you come over here, just say moderator and click on enter, and you'll get it like this. Okay, simple. Okay, we'll just keep it like this. Hmm. Oh,
And the one good thing I'd like to imply over here about tags is that your tags can also be used to, like, if someone search for a bot with the tag moderator. So
yeah. So if someone
go on, we
searches,
can
they'll
listen to
get the
you.
search results basically. Hmm. Okay, so I think
So what
it's
it'll do is it'll just go to the moderator tag and it'll show all the bots related to moderator. So like over here, I think Path has put the tag moderator. So when anyone searches for a moderator bot,
yeah. This bot will show up.
it'll show this bot as a moderator bot.
Yeah,
The advantages of a tag.
yeah. You can count on the tag. Okay, I think everyone's clear till here. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so just come down to bot over here now. You'll see this. No need to see any of this. You can see the add bot over here. Yeah. So just click on add bot. Then you'll see this. Then just click yes, do it. And you'll see that your bot has come over here. Everyone clear? Hmm. Yeah, there's a bit of lag because there's like a 2 minute lag, I guess, 1 minute, yeah. Okay, so everyone, is this clear till here? You guys want to add anything? Stroke and Pro Trooper?
Probably nothing. We can just go on.
Yeah, so, okay, so everyone is here, right? So the next step is
Nothing
going to
really.
be,
Till now, I think it's pretty clear.
yeah, yeah.
Anybody have any doubts?
Guys, if you have any doubts, please put it in the chat. We'll wait for a minute. Okay,
Others
Genius.
will just take back the doubts again at the last.
Okay, so we'll take the doubts in the end of this section. Okay, okay. So guys, should I go forward? Okay, right. So next step will be just go to OAuth. No need to see all this. Okay. Go to URL generator. And once you're here, just leave the other options, and you'll see the bot option over here. And just need to check that. Now, once you've checked this, once you've checked the bot option, we need to give some bot permissions. So as I told you, this is going to be a moderator, so it will need all of these perms. So you can just go and click on administrator. Right? Guys, is the speed okay or am I going too fast? Please let me know. Um, Stroke and Trooper, do you guys want to add anything?
It's good, but just increase your speed a bit, I guess. It's going like it's good, but just
Okay. Okay, so guys, now we are done over here. Just copy this. All you need to do is just copy this one time and then go to a new tab and just paste it over there. And you'll get something like this.
so that's basically the link to add it to your server.
Yeah. Now this part everyone must be familiar if you've added any bot. This is the part where everyone knows you can add Me6, you can add Cardbot from here on. So just select your server. We have many. So we are just going to give it testing server for now. Okay. Right. And then just click on continue. Okay, I'm going to increase my speed a bit now because okay. So now we just got to authorize this and click on I'm human, and we are good over here. Hope no one has any doubts till here. Now what you guys got to do is just go to Discord. Can you see? Yeah. So just go to Discord and go.
We were able to see it.
Yeah, nice, good. So just go to Discord testing server. Over here, now you will see our BotFall has come over here. So the first part of our live stream is complete. We've got our bot into the server, and now guys, there's a very important step. I'll show you that. You got to go back to your Discord developer portal. And once you are here, hmm, okay. Hmm.
Token.
Can you see my Discord? Okay, yeah. Can you guys see my developer screen?
But I think we are going a bit slow and we have a lot to cover, so let's speed up our process. Guys,
Hmm.
right now we are going a bit slow, so if anybody has any doubts, we will be covering it at the end or somewhere in between.
Yeah. You can keep your doubts ready and ask us at the end of the stream. I think we are going to go ahead now. So just click on bot. And over here, yeah, over here you will just see this, you'll see token over here. Just need to copy this, and this you will see next why we need it. So now this is the end. Just going to go here and just paste it. So so these guys have access to it. So guys, this will be the first part of making a Discord bot. Um, Now I would like to hand the baton to Stroke for showing us how to program our bot. Stroke, are you there? Will you like to take over now?
Hey, thanks, boy. And yeah, I'm there.
Take over now.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'll just share my screen. Yeah, I'm there. I'll just go on and share my screen.
Yeah, yeah, take your time.
So for this, basically, we need Replit. We're using the Replit environment to code this bot, and I'll just get ahead and log into my.
Tahar,
And over here,
Stroke, I
I'm
think
going
you
to
should
create
go
a
a bit slow
new
here.
file for the Python, where using the Python language, how I can code the bot. So let me just create it as naming it as a BotFall. So the very basic step for this, the first is the very basic step for this, the first is importing Discord. So I just go ahead and write import Discord. Then we needed to manage servers, so we need commands from Discord. So I go from discord.ext import commands. You can just take it down as it is because it's a bit in deep detail of Python. So now we're going to define the client, which is the Discord client. And Parth, I can't hear you. Can you just unmute in the meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So let me just create a variable, and this variable is the most part of this code is object oriented. So over here I write commands dot bot, and over here we're going to declare the prefix of the bot. Like I'm going to keep it as slash. So command underscore prefix. That's my typo. Prefix, and I put a slash. Now, when the bot starts, I need to get a message that it has started as a significance. So for that, I have to write a basic dev code, which is client dot event, and then we're going to define it. We're going to define it as on ready. So on ready, we're going to print we're going to print it in the console. We will print it saying that hey, I logged into this is 0 not O dot user. It's just formatting stuff. You can just copy it as it is, format, and you can like client, the one which we have defined it over here. And now it's just a simple code saying that now I want to add a game. I want to add like something showing that this is playing it. So to show that it's playing a game, I will have to say await client dot change underscore presence of this thing, and I can change the activity of the bot. Activity or Discord dot game, and the name is it's a mod bot. So let me just put get ruled by me. A bit cruel, but bit better. And now I want the main function to happen. So again, client dot event and async def on message. So this is going to read your message and then reply. It is a code for that message, and we have defined it. Over here, we're basically going to say that if is the message author a Discord user, client user, and we're going to return the following code which we write. So this is a basic one that is used in the first step is basically the basic that can be used in any bot, which is just reading something and printing something normally without any commands or doing any deleting servers or no mod stuff. So let me just comment it saying that simple. If message dot content dot starts with suppose saying hey, now suppose a user says hey, you can just await message dot channel dot send hey there, or basic, or you can even create a list of the replies and okay, I miss client over here.
Stroke. Would you like mind recapping everything till here?
Yeah, sure.
Your screen sharing is stopped.
Did it? Just give me a moment.
Yeah.
Hope you can see it now.
Yeah, you can see your screen.
Yeah, so basically, first we're importing Discord, then from discord.ext, which is a library from them, we are importing commands from them, and then and in this step we are defining the client in object-oriented way, saying that hey, so this uh, the client is basically the commands.bot, and inside the brackets we're defining the commands prefix, which is basically the prefix that the bot is going to read, and then from line 6 to line 10, client.event is basically just telling the client that to do this, and then we are defining on ready. You can just ignore the other parts because they are in a bit complicated stuff of Python. Then on ready, we are printing hey, I logged into the user name, and we have defined the format of the client. Then we are then for the Discord playing a game, like you all would be seeing bots like Rhythm, Dank, Memer, and all. They have like playing games, stuff added to it, like listening to some command and stuff. So over here we are adding a play game, basically the activity, and we have done it get ruled by me because it's a mod bot. It has to be a bit cruel. And then at line 12 we are again defining saying that if the author, like basically the guy whose message we have to read is the client.user, basically discord.user, then we are returning the following code which we will be writing from here. I hope that's fine, but
Yeah. Looking good for now.
okay, so over here in simple what we have done is we are basically saying if there is any message in the content which is starting with hey, then this bot is going to return saying that return say by the command message dot channel dot send saying that hey there. We can even improve it by creating a list and defining the list over here and with the random option. Then moving on to the next step. we're going to create a command to delete message, like something like someone prints everyone, someone tags everyone, and you want to delete it immediately. So we say delete message over here, and if message dot content dot starts with this everyone. So this will basically read if there is at the rate everyone, then it's gonna await message dot lead, and you so anything to do, you need await for await message dot channel dot send, or for await message dot delete you need await. So that's a Python process, not the Discord one. And we can even say that await message dot channel dot send, saying that, hey bro, you're not allowed to ping people. Hey, you're not allowed to ping.
Stroke, I think a few people in our Discord server want the code after you're done. So after you're done, and after we're all done, just remember to copy paste the code in our Discord server.
Yeah, guys,
I'll
don't
put
need to worry about the code. The code will be with you. After the
the
live stream,
code
we
will
will
be
be
shared.
sharing it.
The link of the code will be shared to you. So you can, the Replic's link will be shared with the code, so that you can even pin it and see the code anytime you want. Cool. So moving on to the next category is.
Oh wait, 1 second. Guys, I can't allow you to join the meet cause
Yeah,
yeah,
it's a
don't
bit.
try to join the meet cause you won't be allowed.
Yeah. So now moving on to the next, it's kick the user. To kick the user, you need to use discord.ext. It can't be done with the Discord's default library. So we have to again define client dot user. My bad, it's client dot event. Client dot event, and then say then define def kick.
Taha, Stroke, can you just wait for a second? You have some people joining in, so maybe just make it private.
Any problem?
Yeah, I don't know. Many people are trying to join the meet. So we just make it private. Wait, can you make it private? No, wait.
Never mind, just don't, we don't have to care about that. Just don't admit it.
Guys, we really need you to stop joining. Otherwise, we won't be able to continue. Yeah, 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 trooper. Okay, fine.
Let's continue again.
Yeah, just continue. Yeah,
But can you mute?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, so over here we are defining kick, and with the CTX, it's just a guild of the Discord. We say CTX and then member, and we say Discord dot member, because the Discord, it's the Discord member. Then you can just do this as it is. Then reason, for now, let's wait, never mind. Reason, my spell. Yeah, reason for now is none. We'll just keep it as none, and then we say await member dot kick. This time it's not message, it's member, because we can't kick a message. You have to delete it. And then over here we say a reason region is equals to the region. And finally, the last one, we go to ban user. So over here, let me just, it's the same stuff as this. I'll just copy it and paste it. So over here, instead of kick, you say ban. And over here, instead of kick, you say ban. You just have to edit these two steps. And at the last, this is really an important part. It is to run your whole code that you've written till now. It says client dot run, and over here in the brackets I have to put the thing that so I go to testing server, and over here where did you send me that client token? Never mind, I got it.
Yeah, it's in the chat.
I got it. So the client token, I have to paste it over here. It is really important, as Part told you, from where you can get the client token. Now I just look through the code again. Uh, okay, we're good to go. I just click on run. It takes some time because it has to install the libraries of discord.ext and all stuff. But now we have run it. I'll just go ahead and close that.
Yeah. So as it is taking, it'll take like 1 or 2 minutes, I think. Anyone wants to ask that doubt, you can ask it in the chat. We'll wait for like a minute.
But can you dictate the route, because I'm not looking at the chat right now.
What? Yeah. I'm just waiting for someone if anyone has queries.
Stroke, till then, if you don't mind, in the Discord chat, can you share the link for the Replit?
Yeah.
I don't have the access link for the Replit.
I actually sent it to you, but yeah, fine.
Just send it to him again, cause.
Yep, I have copied it.
We have many people in the chat too. Guys, after the stream is over, we'll send the code to you.
Wait, what happened? What just happened? Okay. The code did not get saved, so let me just do it again. So it says from CTX, we say member. Member is the Discord dot member that needs an explanation, and over here, just keep a star. It is needed. And over here we say reason is equals to none for now, and these colons are important for as we are defining it. And over here we say await member dot kick, and yeah, reason is equals to the reason. This basically takes this thing. Then I can say then the band members again. I copy this and paste it over here again. This thing, wherever it's kicked, it changes to ban over here. That's a simple edit. Did my screen just stop?
Yeah. Taj, would you mind running it in the server?
The code did not get saved. I'm just making it again.
Yeah. No problem.
So the last step again, as I'm doing it, it's client dot run, and over here I copy the token that Phoenix sent it to me early the video, and I hit save this time because I don't want it to do it again. So as you can see, it shows that it's installing the packages from GitHub. part mute, please?
Oh yeah, sorry.
This definitely takes a time because it's a big process. And by that time, we'll just go to the server. It says main.py last line 4 is commands dot bot and command prefix.
Any problem?
Let me just hit it's I'm just reloading it. 1 second. Okay, let's say client is equals to uh, client is equals to discord.client client. Yep, now it works, and it was a problem.
Yeah, I think it was just some issue. Nice.
Yeah, it was just
Now we'll be showing you some. We'll be showing you a demo.
yeah, and over here, can we just get Titan muted with the
Titan.
and over here, as you can see, the BotFall is now online, the one which Bart had added. Now let me just give him worms, and I will say you would get banned, bro. Ban Titan. Stop. Yep, we get this again, and now we change it to it's my lock screen issue. It gets
Stroke your stream. I think it's stopped. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. I say commands dot capital B, which I missed it last time. This was the problem. Commands underscore prefix, which is for now I'll keep it slash again. Stop and run. What's wrong with the cabinet server?
Stroke, I think the problem is that it's not commands underscore prefix, it's command prefix. I'll just fix that.
Yep.
Yeah. Now try running it.
Yep, done.
Yeah, now it's working.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, nice.
No problem.
And okay, it's using that. So let me just change the prefix to something like a slash. And every time I change the code, I have to stop it and run it.
I think there's one place you should change it below too.
So it does not accept slash. I just say
Or put dash and don't put spaces.
okay.
Fine, that's better.
Yeah, just put for.
I'll just clear this and start it again. and fall ban.
Your screen stop sharing.
It's the lock screen problem. Never mind. I'll share it again. I was at my Discord and fall at the rate ban. I got Titan in here. New noob guy. He has not to ban him, but
We are just doing this for the test.
yeah, we'll get you back. Never mind, we'll get you back.
Do you know what's the issue?
This Replit server gets down most of the time, so we have to.
I think we are missing the active.py to carry out actions.
Yeah, just noticed it.
Dash,
Active.py? Yeah, sure, we can start with active.py now. Now,
yeah, let's try it with the active.py. See if it works or not.
now we will
Wait,
basically
the
start
hash,
with
the
how to
hash.
keep the bot 24/7 online,
Oi, the
and
hash.
that will be done by PoTopper. So I hand it over to PoTopper now.
Yeah, so we are done with the second part too. Now you can use the bot, but we still don't know how to get it online 24/7. So let's have Trooper show us how to do that.
Hi. So, what I do is I'll be showing you guys on how to keep your bot active online 24/7. So, for this, I'll first start by sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, you can
We
continue.
can see it. You can continue.
Yeah.
Fine. So, first of all, just before client.run over here, we will be putting, keep it exactly how I'm put it exactly how I'm putting it, alive.key. Okay. Then the next step would be to go over here and create a new file called active.py.
Divyansh, the
So
code
in
will actually run now because before we did strat instead of strt.
Okay, so why don't you share your screen and show us where the problem was?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can
So,
share.
so basically over here, when we wrote this simple message over there, we had this as RA over there, so it was not getting what it meant. So basically the start is this, and we run it again, and this time it should, yeah, did we get keep alive over here? Divo, I'm removing keep alive for now.
Yeah, you can remove it. He can show us
Yeah,
again.
sure, no problem.
Yeah.
And yeah, but you're not given an error now. I say slash at the rate right slash ban at the rate titan not good, and I think should be going. I think there's a space slash ban.
Titan, don't worry, we'll unban you later. Do you want rechecking the code?
Uh, you can continue. I'll look at the command to start the code, and I will come back later. Divu, you can start.
Okay, so I think we're having some issues, so we'll just have Trooper continue and Stroke will be back. He's just fixing some problems. Okay, Trooper, you can go ahead.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience, guys. We'll just be back to the error with you. Don't worry. So for now, we'll be continuing. So always remember over here this is a very important and a crucial part of the code. We will need to put over something over here called alive. It'll be alive dot keep underscore alive. So this is a very crucial part of the code, and without this, you will make sure that your bot is always like alive. It's always online. So this is like just a part of it. The second part is to copy paste the entire code exactly how I'm doing it. So first we'll do from Flask import Flask, and this time with a capital F. I'll be pasting this code in the YouTube chat. So if you guys want, you can copy it.
Just send it in 2 parts. The word limit's too much.
Yeah. So okay. So there's some problem. So I'll just.
Divyansh, you don't have to worry about that. We'll give them the code link later, so they can check it through there.
Okay, fine. So we'll be sharing this code with you. So it's very important. So first is your main.py, where you will need to type the code exactly how we have typed it, and your second will be active.py. So make sure at the end you have both main.py and you have active.py both on standby. So our next step will be going to a website called Uptime Robot. So now, guys, it's time that you pay very close attention to what I'm going to do next. So we will be going to Uptime Robot and we will be adding a new monitor.
The link's in the description.
Before that, at stroke, I have the link to put it in Uptime Robot. Stroke, do you have the link? I think I'm supposed to get a link here. I'm not getting that.
Just a second. I'll just check what's the problem.
Yeah, just check what's the problem.
Yeah, you did not import alive over here. Import. You did not import alive in main.py.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
Yeah,
My bad. So you also need to do import alive. So remember, your import alive is will import a directory alive. So from the Repellent server. So we assume that from the Repellent server, alive will already be downloaded over there. So all we need to do is import the library called alive. After we have done that, we will be going to active.py and Tash, it's sorry, stroke. It's still not coming. Is there some kind of problem?
Give me a minute. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Keep alive. Server stop. Can you give it 2 minutes time? It's installing the libraries.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. So most of the time, what we need to do is the libraries in the server need to be installed. So we are assuming that the libraries are not installed, and Stoke will be working on installing the libraries. Please give us a minute.
It says no module alive found. Okay, sorry, it's active, not alive. The file's name is active.
Was it? Can you try now?
You can try it. Because you have to show it to the audience. What does it say now? Just run it, just run it. You did not run it. Yeah, in the last alive.keepalive, over there you have to change it active.keepalive.
This.
Active.keepalive. Yep, we're good to go now.
Yeah, should be good.
So now coming. It says client is equal to commands.bot. Where's that line 5? We don't have a prefix here.
Oh, I think that's the reason
Yeah,
it's
so
not working.
just keep the prefix as anything. So guys, you will encounter many errors like this. So always remember that your first clue should be read what the error is giving and read the line over here. So it's given in line 5. So you need to read which line and possibly find out what the error could be. Okay, so we should be good to go right now.
We are good to go. Yep,
Yeah.
and
So
Yeah, it's working
as
now.
you can see over here, it will give you a link. Over here, like we have got https BotFall -1 .tahash.repl.co. So now our trick is to copy this. Always remember, copy this link, and then you need to go to your uptime robot and monitor type. You will keep the monitor type as https, and and your friendly name you can just give it as anything.
we can just keep it BotFall.
BotFall. I was
Yeah,
thinking
just keep it BotFall as the name.
Yeah. So BotFall, and your monitor interval should be around 5 minutes, and uh, your monitor timeout should be around
20.
20 seconds. Yeah. So 5 and 20. Monitor interval will be 5 minutes, and your monitor timeout will be 20 seconds. Then over here,
The link.
your URL or IP. Just remove whatever is written here and copy paste it. So now you can see that it's your link has come here. 5 minutes, 20 seconds, BotFall or whatever your name is, and monitor time should be HTTPS.
Divu, would you
And then
mind to
your next
explain?
step is
Would you just explain what is monitor interval and timeout earlier?
yeah, sure. So over here, your monitor interval is basically like how do I explain this? Tash, do you have an easier method of explaining? I have nothing in mind right now.
To be honest, it's like monitor timeout is basically when the monitor is down, your bot is down. This goes and wakes up your code, like saying that, hey, bro, you're down, you have to get active, and that it checks the code every 20 seconds. Then the monitor interval is a bit of detailed, so it will get you confused if you know the meaning.
Something like that,
So
yeah.
basically, you just need
So
to know that it's going to keep your bot online.
Yeah, it's
For
just going to wake
simple.
up your. It's just going to wake your code
So
up every
every
time.
time your bot tries to go offline, this code will make sure that it does not go off. Is all you need
yes.
to understand.
So over here you have an option advanced settings. So not to confuse you, but this option you need to highly ignore, and you can click show and hide. It'll give you some options, but you don't need to click on anything. It'll just confuse you even more. Simple steps: monitor type HTTPS, friendly name, your bot's name, your URL IP is the same URL IP you got over here from running. Just copy paste it over here. Your monitor interval 5 minutes, your timeout is 20 seconds. And then your next step should be create monitor. So now it's giving me an option create monitor with no alert contact selected. That's fine for me. Just click it again. Now it should have created a monitor over here named BotFall. So now it'll give you your stats over here. So what is the uptime of the bot? For us, it is 24 hours, and your response time. So till now we have had no codes or any
As we have just added
any
it right
commands
now.
run. we have no commands run till now, so that's why the response time is 0. The moment we start running commands, it's going to show us what the response time is, or how many seconds or milliseconds it takes to respond. Till now, chat, you guys have any questions?
Yeah, any questions you can ask. We'll wait for a minute. Um, I don't think there are any questions, so you can go ahead.
Yeah, so we'll just continue. So now let's say I will just try it over here. What's our prefix? Tash, I'll be changing the prefix temporarily. Maybe it does not accept words.
Please not that name. The bot's permissions are not enough. The bot's permissions are not enough to, kick. I'll just give it.
Let's try. Yeah, I don't have access to the server.
Let me just.
Anything needed from my side? I think I gave it administrator points.
No, you did not give it. I gave it right now.
Oh, okay, fine.
Fine, let's try. Have you given it?
Yep.
There's still nothing happening. Let's see where the problem is. So if this is not working, let's try something else. We'll do @everyone. Let's see if the bot deletes. Can you see? So this part of the code is working. So now if I do @everyone, it should delete it again.
So I think that command is working. We just need to fix the kick
that
ban.
command is working. So this implies that there is a problem with our kick command. So now our first response, or your first response for a matter of fact, should be to see where the problem is. Async def kick. Stroke, is it CTX or is it CTZ? I think it's CTZ. Let's try with CTZ. So even CTZ is not working.
I could not unmute. CTZ does not support the Discord library.
CTZ does not support the Discord library. Okay. So what else do you think could be the problem? Stroke.
I'm checking on it.
Guys, just give us some time. We will be back. Just checking the problem.
Member dot.
Fine. Stroke, till then probably you can share your screen. Sure. Okay, so guys, let us try another debugging. I'll be sharing my screen, Stroke, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
So over here, like we can see, thank you typing for the idea. You can see if I type OMG@everyone, it won't delete it. So what if we go here and instead of starts with, we will do contains. Okay,
Stop
and
and
let's
run.
check our uptime robot. Over here, stop and run. So let's try right now. OMG at the rate everyone. It's still not working.
So basically, there's no contains in the library.
There's no contains in the library. So starts.
Just give me a minute. I'll get to the actual. I'm changing the prefix to a dot. Then
Yeah, sure. Let's try that out.
not now. Just give me 2 minutes. Just to go into the code. Yep. We're good to go now. I'm restarting it.
Just stop and rerun.
Yeah. Dot kick at the rate Titan, not good, and that should be working. It says, dude, you restarted it. Okay, I get it. I get it. It's
Oh, you found the problem?
yes. Instead of REA, we got RES.
Where?
In the reasons.
Could you? Oh, yes. Wait.
I changed it.
Could you just? Could you just share your screen and tell us the change?
Yeah.
And
Guys, I
now,
think we should like give like a 2 minute break, if that's okay. Cause like the stream's been going on for long, like 1 hour.
Yeah, it's almost done. Our bot is made, so I don't see a
Okay,
necessity
yeah.
for a break.
Okay.
Our bot is almost done. We just need to debug it a little bit.
debugging is the worst part of all.
Debugging is gonna take some
Yes,
time,
guys.
so when you do this, make sure that you're ready for it.
Yes, guys, that's completely right. Debug is going to take a lot of time, so always beware that you will take a lot of time for debug. And also, if you guys ever have any doubt, do remember to comment your doubts in the comment section below, and we will immediately get to clearing your doubt. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
To the Phoenix wife.
Do like, share, and subscribe till we find the problem. 1 like is equal to 1 respect.
True.
1 support to debug.
1 support to debug. 1 second lesser to debug.
Yeah.
I get the point now. It's not client.event, it's client.command.
Fine.
Yep, it's gonna run now.
Okay, now I guess we can try it.
I'm trying it, Divyansh. Score topper, I'm trying it, so.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Just
I'll share my screen and I'll tell where the error is.
yeah.
Part I hope you're continuing with the live.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so guys, where we have to control the server over there, it's not client.event, it's client.command. Remember this, it's client.command. This debug took a lot of time because of this simple reason. It's always simple reasons that mess up stuff. Um,
It's always a
so
learning.
yeah, so let's stop it and hit run again. It says, hey, I logged into BotFall and now go into Discord. I say, dude, this guy is irritating a lot. Kick all
A
try to
band, a
ban
band.
me. Yeah, better. Dot ban at the rate this guy. And he should be banned any moment. This guy is not good.
Bro, why?
We'll kick and ban some bot. We'll see
See,
how.
your bot successfully banned the person manually.
I'm banning animals.
That's another word we created.
Animals, is it getting banned?
I forgot the space.
Did animals get banned? No. Uh, problem.
I think there's another error now. We'll just take a break.
Yeah, you guys can like get something to eat. Cause this is just the last part, so we'll just be back.
Yeah, we'll be back after a short break.
And this is the last part. It'll just take like 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll just